Apache Airflow is open source workflow management platform for data engineering pipelines. Installation setup on Windows 11 and Windows 10 operating system. Google search box లో airflow docker compose file enter key press airflow.apache.org. First link click. Apache Airflow official web page complete display running Airflow in Docker section లో scroll down. Fetching docker-compose.yaml section లో docker-compose.yaml blue color highlighted words. Mouse left click. Download section లో docker-compose.yaml file. Downloading process completed. Next new tab click. Search box లో docker enter key press. Official link first section display docker.com. First one option install docker desktop. First one click. Docker docs official redirectory web page complete display install docker desktop on Windows related first button. Docker desktop for Windows x86_64 first button click. Download section లో docker desktop installer.exe setup file downloading process start. File size 565 MB. Wait and hear downloading process completing. Downloading process completed. Next docker installation instructions. Scroll down. Browser minimize. Desktop Windows search box lo turn Windows features enter. First option turn Windows features on or off. Select window display middle section lo mouse scroll down. First one virtual machine platform left side box tick mark set. Second one Windows subsystem for Linux left side box tick mark set. First button OK click. Searching for required files. Wait and hear few seconds. Applying changes. Windows completed the request changes. First button restart now click. After system restart process completed WSL2 installation setup. Desktop Windows search box lo cmd enter. First option command prompt select enter the WSL text command. WSL space ---- install space d space ubuntu enter key press. Installing ubuntu. Wait and hear 0 to 100% process completing. Installing this may take a few minutes. Enter new Linux username charitech enter key press. Second one new password enter key press. Re-enter the password enter key press. Installation successful. Window close. Command processor window close. File explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo docker desktop installer select mouse double click. Open file security warning window lo first button run click. Docker desktop installer window lo first button yes click. Download folder minimize. Installing docker desktop window display. Configuration related 3 options display. Default first one option tick mark set. Third one option default tick mark set. Bottom side OK button click. Docker desktop installation latest version 4.53.0 unpacking files. Installation verify process start. After all files verify process completed installation process start. Installation succeeded. Docker desktop shortcut icon display. Close and log out blue color button click. System restart process completed. Docker subscription service agreement window first button accept click. Docker desktop window maximize. Welcome to Docker. Login your ID present unnecessary top side skip button click. Copy this command. minimize, desktop, Windows search box, CMD, enter. First option, command prompt, select keyboard shortcut key, Control V, enter key press, first button, yes click. Installing Windows subsystem for Linux. Windows subsystem for Linux has been installed in your system. Command prompt, window close, restart button click. Your running containers show up here. Window minimize, installation verify, Docker WSL2, Windows search box, CMD, enter. First option, command prompt, select, enter Docker text command, Docker space version, enter key press. Installation, Docker latest version 29.0.1. next to WSL text command and WSL space version, enter key press. WSL installation latest version 2.6.1.0. Window close, desktop download folder, reopen, mouse right click, new option select, sub panel first one folder select, delete key press, enter folder name, airflow -docker, enter key press. Second one file, docker compose.yaml file select, mouse right click, cut option select, created folder select, open, mouse right click, paste option click, folder minimize, desktop Windows search box, VS Code, enter. First option, Visual Studio Code, select, maximize, left side first icon, explore, click, open folder, blue color button click, left side downloads select, airflow docker, folder select, first button, select folder click. First button is I trust the authors, click. Newly created folder airflow -docker, display in Explorer window. Docker YAML file, select, workspace, display in script, airflow -docker, right side first icon, new file, click, enter the file name .env, virtual environment, enter key press. In this video description section, all Docker running commands, enter, step by step paste. Top section of terminal, menu click, first option, new terminal, select, terminal window, expand. Terminal window, Docker compose, run command, enter. Docker -compose -up space -d, enter key press. Docker compose and airflow dependencies files, installing process start, wait and here, process completing, present running. First one, airflow API server pulling dependencies files, airflow dog processor pulling files, airflow init pulling, airflow worker pulling, airflow trigger pulling, airflow scheduler pulling. Running process start, wait and here, process completing. Airflow, all dependencies, packages, Windows Defender firewall has blocked some features of this app. Bottom side first button, yellow access, click. Desktop, Docker container, reopen, inserted folder, airflow -docker, left side, arrow click, Docker desktop window minimize, completed the process, airflow docker. Created all files, display in Explorer window, desktop browser open, top section of address bar, enter localhost 8080, enter key press, sign in window, username enter, airflow password enter airflow, blue color button sign in, click, change your password, OK button click, present unnecessary second button never click, airflow home page complete display welcome, left side second one dogs icon click, created all docs files 82 display. Scroll down, assets 17,